What if you could create stunning YouTube videos without showing your face? AI is transforming content creation. Let's explore how AR and automation are revolutionizing faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and AI is the secret weapon. AI-generated visuals, voiceovers, and editing automation eliminate the need for on-camera presence. Creators now focus purely on ideas and storytelling. Whether you're building a tech, educational, or creative channel, AI handles the heavy lifting, freeing you to scale faster than ever before. AI generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion create jaw-dropping visuals in seconds. Custom prompts let you generate unique thumbnails, scene backgrounds, animations. The best part: consistency. You control the aesthetic. Use descriptive prompts, mood style, lighting to match your brand. This visual consistency keeps audiences engaged and builds recognition instantly. Combine AI art with automation platforms like Descript, Synthesia, and FlexClip. Generate scripts with ChatGPT, convert to voiceovers with natural AI voices, and auto-edit with AI-powered tools. Some platforms create entire videos from simple text prompts. Batch create content weekly. What once took 10 hours now takes 2. Scale from 1 video monthly to 5 without burnout. Success requires strategic planning. Choose a niche with strong visual storytelling, potential productivity, science, design, motivation. Maintain consistent AI art style through detailed prompt templates. Build a content calendar 3 months ahead. Use YouTube SEO best practices, keyword-rich titles, detailed descriptions, strategic tags. Authentic storytelling combined with stunning visuals creates loyal audiences. Ready to start? Subscribe for more AA creative automation guides. Hit like and comment. What's your first faceless video idea?